Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we got a little GTO here for you, and yes, it has the tri-power under the hood, and even better yet, it's got a 4-speed between the bucket seats. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. We do post all the prices on our website at volocars.com. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the little bell icon so you're notified as these videos are put out there. This is a fresh restoration. How to say it, it's not a concourse, nut and bolt frame off restoration, but it is done by a guy. It's restored several cars over the year. He did a really nice job without taking it to that extreme. So this is an affordable, good looking, excellent running, driving car. So a lot of people say, I don't want to spend the $60,000, $70,000 to get the concourse car. I just want a good looking car that I can drive. That's this one right here. Body was off the frame. The brakes, the suspension, all those components were restored. It is a T10 4-speed that's been rebuilt. It's a 400 motor under the hood that was rebuilt. It has the tri-power carbs. It's had new quarter panels, completely repainted. Everything, the jambs, all repainted. He did a really nice job. You look down the sides, it's real straight. The body gaps are real nice. The metal flake is laid out nice. Really nice color too. And it's got a deep clear coat finish. It just looks like you could put your hands right into it. So overall, the paint is really, really nice. The trim is exceptionally nice. The bumpers are re-chromed. He polished the grille and repainted it. New emblem. He painted that and polished them. All this stainless trim. I don't know if it's new or just been polished, but it's all shiny and straight. The wiper arms are polished. The mirrors are new. It's got Rally 1 wheels on it. These are Pontiac centers. Those aren't the right centers for the wheel, but they are the Rally 1s. Really wide in back. I mean, really wide. It has that nice muscle car stance. But all this trim, see how it's all shiny? Tops of the doors here, it's all real nice. Door jambs were painted. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. Looks like all the upholstery on the seats, the door panels, the armrests, carpet, all been replaced. The whole dash is painted gloss black. Has a new padded dash. That was an option. This is beautiful. They must remake this panel because this is brand new. That's beautiful. The bumper's re-chromed. Emblem looks new. Really cool trunk light. We'll get back to that in a second. But it's all painted in here. It's all metal. Has a jack, has a spare. New 2-piece mat. It has new weather strip. The glass is all real nice. It does have a factory tachometer in the dash. The center console looks brand new. They must reproduce that too because it looks new. And he did upgrade it with a retro stereo, a walnut steering wheel, and it's got 3 vintage gauges down below the dash. Windshield's been replaced. We'll start it up in a minute for you too. So yeah, it's a 400 motor. It's got headers, the tri-power carbs, new air cleaner lids. The brakes have been upgraded. It's a dual reservoir. The original was a single reservoir. It's also power, and their disc also has power steering. This is all cleaned up and painted real nice. Underneath, the car is restored, like I was saying, and it does have the disc brakes. It's got fat sway bars front and back. It's got some upgraded box control arms, and it is a posi. It'll leave 2 tire marks on the pavement. Yeah, this light I was talking about, if you know Pontiacs, you're already familiar with this, but I think every car should have this. This light actually comes out. It's on a long wire, so you can go around the car with it. and then when you're done, you just wind it back up. I think that's a cool feature. Every car, even today, should have that. I'll fire it up for you. I just noticed the light in the back of the console works. The ignition's over here on the left, which takes a little getting used to. Got a nice custom exhaust system. It's got gas shocks in the back. Very responsive. Runs real nice. Snappy. Has a silver headliner with the little stars in it, with the matching visor. It's all in really nice shape. Alternator looks new. It's got a modern radiator, new flex fan, spark plug wires, distributor cap. A lot of stuff looks new. It's all painted gloss black. Up here the motor's smooth and quiet as can be, but it makes good sound coming out the back. It was dyno tuned. I do have a folder with a bunch of receipts for work that was done to this car. 64 GTO is given credit to start the muscle car. This was the car that did it, or at least the car that's recognized as being the first muscle car. And you have to have the tri-power. I've owned GTOs without the tri-power, and everybody says, does it have the tri-power under the hood? You hate to tell them no, so it's got it. You really, you hear them and you feel them when you put it to the floor and all three carbs open up. That really runs really good. So go to volocars.com. We'll give you the VIP shop from home treatment. As many pictures, videos, questions we can answer. We'll take you on a virtual test drive. We have shipping, we have financing. However we can help you, let us know. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon so you're notified when the videos are made. I do appreciate everyone who's been watching and hope you keep coming back for more.